Have you ever wondered why your grandmother insisted on serving cabbage at family dinners? What if I told you that this humble vegetable hides a wealth of health benefits under its leafy exterior? Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of cabbage and uncover its numerous health benefits. Cabbage, a member of the Brassica family, is a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed with vitamins C and K, it's a champion in the realm of leafy greens. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, fights off harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Vitamin K, on the other hand, plays a critical role in bone health and blood clotting. But the goodness of cabbage doesn't stop there. It's also a great source of dietary fiber. Consuming fiber-rich foods like cabbage can help maintain a healthy digestive system, reducing the risk of constipation and promoting a sense of fullness, which can help in weight management. Cabbage also boasts of sulforaphane, a compound that has been studied for its cancer-fighting properties. Sulforaphane has been shown to have a protective effect against certain types of cancer, including lung and colon cancer. And did you know that cabbage is a heart-friendly vegetable? Rich in potassium and anthocyanins, cabbage can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Potassium helps to balance out the negative effects of salt, while anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that have been linked to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Cabbage is more than just a filler for your salads and coleslaws. It's a nutrient-dense, low-calorie food that can contribute to overall health and well-being. Incorporating cabbage into your meals is an easy and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. To recap the amazing benefits of cabbage, it's a rich source of vitamins C and K. It helps maintain a healthy digestive system due to its fiber content. It contains compounds that may protect against certain types of cancer, and it's beneficial for heart health. As with all foods, remember that balance and moderation are key. While cabbage is a fantastic addition to any diet, it shouldn't replace a diverse intake of fruits and vegetables. So next time you see a head of cabbage in the grocery store, remember the wealth of benefits this humble vegetable brings to the table. Your body and your grandmother will thank you.